Check minimum and recommended requirements. Before troubleshooting, confirm your PC meets or exceeds the game's requirements. Minimum specs: OS Windows 10 64-bit, CPU Intel Core i5 4th Gen or AMD equivalent, RAM 8 GB, GPU NVIDIA GTX 970, AMD R9 290 or better. Storage: SSD with 20 GB free space, DirectX version 11.12. If your hardware is below minimum, expect instability even after fixes. Update everything. GPU drivers: NVIDIA GeForce Experience, please open your app to see this link. AMD Adrenalin Software, please open your app to see this link. Intel Arc, Intel Driver and Support Assistant, please open your app to see this link. Windows updates: press Win I Update and Security, Windows Update, check for updates. DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, install latest from Microsoft. DirectX End User Runtime, please open your app to see this link. Visual C++ redistributables 2010 and 2022, please open your app to see this link. Verify and repair game files. Steam: 1. Right-click Game in Library, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Epic Games: 2. Click the Game in Library menu, Manage, verify Xbox Apps Game Pass. 3. Settings, Installed Games, click Game, Manage, verify, repair. Run in administrator mode, go to the installation folder. Right-click AOW4.exe, Properties, Compatibility tab, check Run this program as administrator. Disable overlays. Overlays cause crashes in many cases. Turn them off. Steam overlay, Steam settings, in-game, disable overlay. Discord settings, game overlay, off. GeForce Experience settings, in-game overlay, off. Xbox game bar, Windows settings, gaming, Xbox game bar, off. Adjust launch options. In Steam, Properties, General, Launch Options. You can see the code in our conversation history or you can see the code in our conversation history, depending on which works better. Lower in-game graphics settings. If the game launches but lags or freezes, lower resolution, set texture quality to medium, turn off VSync, disable ray tracing and shadows. Increase virtual memory page file. 1. Press Win+R, type sysdm.cpl, press enter. 2. Advanced Performance, Settings, Advanced Virtual Memory, change. 3. Uncheck Automatically Manage, select System Drive, set initial size to 4096 MB, max size to 8192 MB. Reinstall, move to SSD. Uninstall the game completely. Reinstall on an SSD instead of HDD. Ensure at least 20% free space on the drive. Bonus advanced fixes: disable full screen optimizations. Right-click XZ, Properties, Compatibility, check Disable full screen optimizations. Clean boot: disable all non-Microsoft startup apps using msconfig to avoid software conflicts. Check security software. Whitelist the game folder in antivirus or temporarily disable it. If you want,